Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my nighttime skincare routine. So I've already cleansed my face with my favorite, the Face Shop Rice Water Bright Cleanser. I really like this cleanser. It removes all the dirt and oil from my face very well, and I really like this one. It's very gentle on the skin. So after cleansing my face with this face wash, I'm gonna apply toner. Today I'm gonna use Pixi Glow Tonic Toner, and I don't use it on daily basis. I use it once or twice in a week because it has glycolic acid and I don't want too much of chemical on my face, so I usually use this once or twice a week. So today I'm gonna use it. So I'll just take a cotton ball and just take some of the tonic in this, and I'm gonna just dab it properly on my skin like this. I'm not gonna rub it or something, just gonna dab it, especially near my chin, cheek area, because I have a lot of open pores here. So I'm gonna apply it here and near my chin area because I have a couple of pimples here, and a little bit on my forehead. I'll just dab it. So yeah, so I don't take too much of product. I just take a little bit and I just dab it properly. And after that, I'm gonna use the ordinary hyaluronic acid, and this also I am not gonna take too much. I'm just gonna take a little bit here, little bit here, here, here. Not much because I have very oily skin and I don't want to make my skin feel greasy or oily. So I just take a little bit and just properly dab it on my skin, under my eyes, and I'm just gonna literally dab it. No massage, just dab it properly like this, and it gets absorbed nicely into my skin. I've already done a review of this hyaluronic acid, and if you want you can check out the review. I'll leave the link in the description. So I'll just dab it properly, and yes, I'm done. So next step I'm gonna do is apply this serum. This is from the brand Ilana. I've already done a review on this as well, you can check out. I'll also leave the link of this review of this product in the description. So this is how it looks like, and I'm gonna just take a pump, not much, just this much. I don't want to make my skin oily or greasy, so I'm just gonna take this one and just apply it on little. I'll just take a little bit and just apply like this on my skin, and a little bit on my forehead, under my eyes. I'm just gonna dab it as well. I'm not gonna massage anything. I'm just gonna dab it real well so that it get absorbed into the skin properly. Little bit massaging on my forehead, and yeah, I really like the smell of this serum. It's very nice, refreshing smell. It has like lemonish smell. I really like the smell. I can't tell you, I really love the smell of this serum. I'm just gonna dab it properly, and I'm gonna just leave it for a minute, let it absorb properly into my skin, and then I'm gonna apply my moisturizer. So the serum is being absorbed into my skin, and next one is I'm gonna use my moisturizer. So I'm using this Lotus Dermo Spa Brazilian Age Defying Night Cream, and I'm using this I think from last few weeks, and I used to use facial oil and all at night time, but recently because of summers and then monsoons, my skin becomes too greasy and oily, so I prefer to apply something light. So I've been using this for a while. This is how the cream color and the texture looks like. The texture is like a normal cream, so I don't take much of the quantity. I just take a little bit, and I've already applied hyaluronic acid and serum, so I just take this much and I just dab it properly again on my skin, and I just do a little bit of massage not massage actually, but little bit just apply it. I know the color of the cream is whitish, which I don't like, but I read about the ingredients and about the overall about the cream, so I just thought of trying it out. But I'm not that happy with this cream, to be very honest, but somehow I have to finish this, so I'm using now because it's kind of monsoons here and my skin becomes too oily and greasy. So this one doesn't make my skin too oily or greasy, it absorbs into the skin pretty well, and then I like it a little bit lighter on my skin, so I'll just massage it and I'll come back. Okay, I'm done with the moisturizer now. It's been absorbed pretty well, and the next step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply this eye serum. This is from the brand The Ordinary, and even I think for this also I have done a review, and before using it just shake it well, and I'll just take a little bit under my eyes here and a little bit here. It's sticky, so don't take too much, just take a little bit. This product is not that effective in terms of wrinkles and fine lines, so you take your ring finger and just dab it properly, just massage it, and you don't need to massage for a long, just massage a little bit and done. And again the ring finger and just apply it, and just, yeah, that's it, not much. I don't want to remove all the product by massaging it, so I just leave it like that. So yeah, I am also using one of the DIY serums I've made a few weeks back, and I am working on it. I think it's working on my fine line, so I'm gonna do a video on that as well soon. So for now I have used this Ordinary caffeine solution. This is really good in terms of puffiness and for hydrating the eyes, not for fine lines and wrinkles. So if you have bad wrinkles and fine lines, so this will not help. If you just want to hydrate and remove that puffiness under your eyes, this is really good. So I usually use it once or twice in a week, and today I'm gonna use sleeping mask. I use it only once a week, not more than that, because already my skin is pretty oily, and sleeping mask doesn't make my skin oily, but somehow I don't like to put a lot of product on my skin, so I usually use this only once a week, and I don't take too much. I just take a little bit here, and on my forehead, on my nose, and on my chin. Not much, very less. And whole point of the sleeping mask is it hydrates your skin, and it works while you are sleeping, and it kind of repairs your skin. So even for this I think I have done a review, so you can check out that as well. I'll leave the link in the description box. I'm again gonna dab it properly and not gonna massage it, and like this. So I let it be on my skin, and it will automatically get absorbed into my skin, and I think I'm done. So next thing is I'm gonna just spray a few pumps of this body mist on my body. I just like this body mist, so I'm just gonna dab this. I just love the smell. This is Mad About You from Bath and Body Works. And yeah, last but not the least is I'll moisturize my lips, and I'm using currently Nivea Essential Care Lip Balm, and I'll just take a bit, and that's it. So yeah, this was my nighttime skincare routine, guys. I hope you liked the video, and let me know what products you use in your skincare routine and which one is good, and I really like to know that. And I hope this review was helpful and you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to give a like and share with your friend and family. I'll see you guys soon. Till then, take care. Bye.